parents and students, good morning. Well, as usual, this week you will have your reading assignment. So today I'm going to send you the reading tutorial. So when you have some difficulties to read, you can open and watch my video, okay? Well, let's start, guys. Number one, my dad buys a new and big house. Number two, the mouse is in the hole. Number three, the cloud is gray and it is going to rain. Number four, can you count 1 to 10? Number five, cows are eating grass and drink water. Number six, owl always flies at night. Number seven, the brown bag is new. It is from my mom. Number eight, she invites clown to her birthday party. Now we go to read the second part, the short paragraph. As the rain falls, I sit by the window and wait for my friend. My coat hangs over the chair and I put my feet on the floor. Outside, a tree sways gently along the road. I pick up a crayon and draw a world with oysters and meat. Rolf claps when the plane flies by. He sees the flag wave slowly in the wind. A truck goes past, making smoke. He sits on the grass and feels a bit sick. Near him, a shop sells frames for pictures and he hopes to buy one soon. We go to read the third part. I sit by the lake and watch the waves gently roll in. The time feels perfect for a dive. A cute rose grows nearby, brightening the lake. I hope for more days like this, where I can enjoy nature alone by the fire and listen to a sweet tune. Okay, now we go to read Bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1. Apel itu berwarna merah. 2. Rasa buah apel itu manis. Nomor 3. Banyak toko yang menjual apel. 4. Ibu suka beli buah apel. Nomor 5. Buah apel bisa didapat di mana-mana. Nomor 6. Warna dalam buah apel adalah putih. Sekarang kita baca cerita dalam bentuk paragraf pendek. Adik saya sangat senang saat ulang tahun. Ia mendapat bola cantik dan kucing mainan. Kami baca cerita bersama sambil menikmati roti dan ulang. Setelah itu kami minum air segar. Adik terlihat sehat dan gemuk dan saya merasa bahagia melihatnya tersenyum. Hari itu menjadi kenangan yang indah. Sekarang kita baca bagian ketiga. Malam itu lampu pesta turun dari langit, menciptakan warna yang indah. Putri merasa lelah dan malas, bahkan saat melihat kata melompat. Ia tersenyum meski ngeri dengan suara. Di danau burung terbang tinggi, menambah suasana yang sukar namun menawan. Well, finally it's done, guys. Okay, I know it's quite long, but believe me, it really helps you to improve your reading ability. Okay, so don't forget to practice and don't forget to send your reading video to our WhatsApp group, guys. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.